Today in reading, we're going to be doing a Find the Evidence page. In this one, what's going to happen is you're going to read the story and then you're going to answer the questions, but you have to find evidence that supports your answers. So you're going to be using your highlighter tool and you're going to find your evidence to support your answer. So I'm going to do an example for you. Some of us have done these before with me and some have not. So this is just a refresher or instructional purposes. Here we go. So this one is called Holidays Around the World, Hanukkah. It says, long, long ago, a king declared that Jews were not allowed to worship their God. A small group of Jews fought a hard battle and won back their temple. They wanted to light an oil lamp, but the temple only had enough holy oil left for one night and would take 8 days to get more. What if you were in this temple and the little bit of oil you had actually lasted all 8 nights? You'd be surprised but grateful, and the members of the temple were too. They believed God had performed a miracle. Jews celebrate the miracle of Hanukkah each year. To remember the story of Hanukkah, Jewish families light candles on a special candle holder called a menorah. Each night, one more candle is lit as the family says blessings and prayers together. By the last night of Hanukkah, also called the Festival of Lights, the entire menorah is lit. Hanukkah is also a time for enjoying special foods, like latkes, which are potato pancakes, and playing games. One popular game involves a special top called a dreidel. Children are also sometimes given gifts of coins called Hanukkah gelt. Jewish families in Israel and around the world celebrate the miracle of Hanukkah for 8 nights, usually in December. Okay, so we've read the passage. Now it's time to answer the questions. Well, you're going to need your highlighter tool, and you're going to want it to be kind of skinny because these are not huge passages. And the first color I'm going to choose is blue. And I'm choosing blue because that's what the first question says. And it says, who receives Hanukkah gelt? I remember seeing that word, and it wasn't too long ago. Oh, there it is right there. So I'm going to use my highlighter tool, and I'm going to answer this question. Who receives Hanukkah gelt? It says, children are also sometimes given gifts of coins called Hanukkah gelt. Then I need to type in my answer. So who receives Hanukkah gelt? Children are given coins called Hanukkah, Hanukkah gelt. Okay, I've answered the question and I highlighted my evidence. That's how I know I'm getting this question correct. The second question says, what are latkes? What are latkes? Well, I need to go yellow because that's what it says here. I'm going to go yellow, and then I need to find the word latkes. Latkes. So I'm going to search this until I find that clue word. Oh, there it is, latkes. So what is a latke? Well, right here in parentheses, it says potato pancakes. So now I need to write my answer. What are latkes? Remember, you need to write it in a complete sentence. So latkes are potato pancakes. And I have now answered question number 2. All right, you're going to do this for all 6 questions on your passage. Make sure that you are highlighting your evidence and then answering your question in a complete sentence. All right, have fun with this.